Woo! Gregos here. How you going? Car-ma in the house or in the shed, as I say. Look at the red. Holy smokes. That looks pretty tidy. As I've said, this ain't no Summer Nat special. This is a getter down the road. Stick the V8 in, stick the 4-speed behind it, maybe 5, and stick the bloody caravan on the back. Do a lap of Australia. That will be the coolest lap of Australia out there, because I'm over seeing everyone in bloody $200,000 Land Cruisers do it. Get on board the old train. Boop, boop. Yeah, anyway, this is looking bloody spiffy. It's been cleaned, epoxied. It's been bloody 3 coats of the red. The beer, solid colour for the win. Beautiful, looks good. As I said, I made another video, but it cut short. But anyway, I've got to keep talking because this one will cut short too. So the all the wiring and the brakes shit is all still in there, and it's just all had to be covered up. You know, it took me a couple of hours to get the damn thing ready. But everything that shouldn't be painted isn't painted, and everything that needs to look pretty, it is. So, you know, I've even covered up all the little straps for the wire, and I've covered up the compliance plates and the other little plate on the front here. Did that one under there. Yeah, let's have a look at that, shall we? See, I just sort of left it more OG. General Motors. So, that's looking good. Body work all done, skis. Well, 90%. So it's had filler block, and then it had another 2 coats of the some polyester primer, just like a thick primer that's good for sanding. Inside was all stripped out, all the seat belts taken out, all the old rotten insulation, all that stuff, and just cleaned out good enough. Like I said, it's not going anything that's covered. Why go silly on it? Boots all been stripped out and cleaned and epoxied and yeah. So, you know, we've done a few repairs that you know, like any steel work that you're not going to see, you don't go too stupid on it because it's going to be covered by soundproofing, insulation, all the rest. So the boot will have all black texture inside it. Yeah, I'll put black texture on there, and engine bay's ready to go. This in here, I like to put spray on a thick underbody coating, and then spray the red over the top of it, and that helps with water diversion. We had to put plates in there, another few plates that was all rotten out there. Oh, bloody rust never stops. But anyway, she's looking good. The lines are looking nice. Not that you can tell because I sprayed on a bit of guide coat on it, but yeah, we're definitely looking the part, and she's getting real close now. Door jambs all epoxied. Like, it's just like, give it a final sand. Any rub throughs and whatever, we'll blow a coat of primer on it if we have to. Oh no, it's a freaking mess here. I gotta have a big clean up. So yeah, anyways, it's looking bloody good. You know, I've got the wiring sort of making sure nothing worse than seeing all the wiring covered in paint. It's a bloody nightmare. But anyway, that's just a little looking good. I like it. That's a nice coloured red. And yeah, sweet as. So all these arches here too, gonna do them in the black texture coat. Happy days. There's your update, bros. I don't go that way. I don't. That's just silly. You know, not everyone's my brother. Why would you just call them bro? Anyway, that's just the way it is, baby. That's just the way it is. So we've had the high long blasting this Friday afternoon, and bloody having a good time. That's what it's about. No distractions. Just bloody into it. Andrew's been bloody rhinoplasting another bloody combi. But anyway, something a bit different. This Commodore's going to look nice. Ready to hit the road. Pretty soon. Yeah, it takes a while to put a car back together, but the owner's going to do that. So Ciao for now.